Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of Total Battle. So this is for iPhone and Android, and it will make you rich. So as you can see, I'm broke, but in the mod menu, I can turn on unlimited gold. So I'm going to turn that on right here, and let's see if our gold goes up. So as you can see, I got 790 right now. So hopefully that increases. So let's see what happens, and it should start going up. So let's see if we get some more gold, and hopefully it does go up. So no change, unfortunately, but it might start working. So let's see if we get, yeah, it's working. Look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to download the modded version for iOS and Android. This is super cool. So let's get into the tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So all you got to do, guys, is go over to tweakmod.com. So let me just type that in right here. So on this site, guys, just go to the search bar, type in Total Battle, press install, and before it downloads, there's going to be a verification. So this is for iOS and Android. So let's just wait for it to load here, as you can see. So yeah, we're just going to let it download. So it shouldn't take that long. So let's just see what happens. All right, so it's loading right now. So yeah, we're just going to let it download. All right, so it looks like we're coming towards the end, guys. So now we are going to be doing that verification step, which I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do. So all we have to do is download 2 apps and follow instructions. So as you can see, we got all the apps right here. So like Underdog says down and run for 30 seconds. So I could do that. I could do this TikTok, True Finance. You got to search something up. DraftKings, you got to follow instructions on the next page as well. So just make sure you guys do 2 of them. You're going to be good to go. That's how to get Total Battle Hack for iPhone and Android. So it's super insane, guys. So I'm going to see you in another video. But be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to have a Total Battle Hack on your device.